Hi again, let's continue with our journey to master numbers. This episode from 100 to 999. Stay tuned. Each time we go further and further, now we can count from 100 to 999. Although this is not that difficult, we will cover some important aspects in counting basics. As you can see, the drill is really easy. You must combine the basic number from 1 to 9 and add the word 100. Remember to pronounce correctly. Here you have the video to check you are doing it right. Now we can count 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. You see, this is really easy. Just the basic number plus the word 100. The next step is to combine hundreds with the tens. For example, this number and this one as well. If you remember the last video, we can follow the same structure and we add the hundreds before the tens. So it is 100 plus tens plus hyphen plus unit. Check this first number. We have 222. Pay attention to how the tens and units remain the same and the hundreds may or may not be connected with the word and. We finally have 222. Let's check this number now. 867. We have the final number, 867. Another example. Okay, 910. Check how the tens and units work individually. 910. Finally, we have 305. This example is perfect to explain how to make a difference between the hundreds and the tens. Remember, after you mention the word 100, a new count starts. So, 300 and the rest of the sequence is connected to tens and units, so you don't get confused with these connections. However, the word 100 is not only used for numbers, but to make reference to certain approximation. The first example is for the general number. I wrote 100 letters last year. It means that you wrote many letters. You didn't count them, but it should be between 100 and 999, so it is very general. The expression hundreds of points to a large number of elements, again between the 100 and 999. However, this expression is used in plural. There are hundreds of people traveling these days. Check this. There are. This is the plural, and then hundreds of. This is how you use this expression. Finally, we have about. In this case, we use about and a number expressing hundreds. For example, 100 or 300, or even 110s like 650 or 880. The preposition about is to express a quick calculation. I saw about 300 children in a party. So far, everything is clear, clean and understandable. But there is a question right there that is very logic. Can I say 1100? Well, it should be possible. In fact, it is very true. But do not use it largely in your common speech. Although some people may understand it, especially native speakers, it is not a standard counting. Besides, you should never write this form because it is only used to express price and in some cases address. So, use it under certain conditions, and obviously you can use other expressions similar to this one, for example 2000 or 5500, etc. But in this case we are talking about thousands, and we have that topic next video. In the meantime, we have these exercises for you. Only 2 activities since this topic is quite easy. The code on the left is a warm-up. You must match the number with the written form. The code on the right is to use the correct expression. It may be a number or one of the uses we have for the word 100. You also have the links in the description. Okay, we have another mission completed. Stay tuned for the next video about thousands. See you next time. Certified English, English for your goals.